What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be painting a terracotta pot, and I'll be showing you how to make some matte paint, just in case your store doesn't have any.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong.
This paint is not matte, and I'm going to show you later in the video how to make it matte.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay.
And this light pink is also not matte.
You're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
You can take powder and mix it in with your paint with a little bit of water, and it will make your paint matte. So the peach that I did earlier was not matte, and I'm going to add that to the pink or the peach, whatever other colors that I had that was glossy, and make it matte.
I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless.
I also add a few drips of water just to mix it in so that paint is not so thick.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong.
Now I'm going to go back over that pink that was glossy so that it now has a matte finish. Also, you don't have to paint the glossy and then put matte over it. That was a mistake on my part. I should have made the matte first and just painted it one time.
As you fade away.
I added powder to this one before I started this video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt.
When it's all dry, you can start drawing on your little details.
Look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
And everybody knows that I love my Posca pins, especially hot pink. Time for the shiny. This is my Deco Color Gold pen. It's my favorite golds of all the golds. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more art-related content. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit the bell. Till next time, toodles!